So this video is about an easy, healthy herbal tea that helps in sore throat, cough and cold, very much required in the current times, right? So these are very interesting. Okay, I found these on Amazon, and they are flavored herbal, ready to have sort of a tea. And I have 4 flavors, as you can see. This is Kashmiri Kahwa. This one is Ayush Kadha, and the other two are the pan flavored and the tulsi green tea. So it comes in a cardboard container with a lid on the top, and inside there are these very interesting paper glasses. With the brew leaves or the spices or whatever tea it is. It's there in a mesh paper or what is it called, the white dipping tea wala paper or sheet. So yeah, so it's there, and all you have to do is just add some boiling or hot water in this, and just wait for 2 minutes for it to brew, and it's good to go. So as you can see, all the containers comes with the glasses. Obviously, it was full to the top, but I have used a lot of them and really liked it. So I'll show you how to brew this one. So yeah, you can see these are very much paper, biodegradable paper glasses, and very handy. Okay, these are specially good for people who are low on time, college going students, or even if you're working from home and you want to quickly have something at night. You can just warm some water in a kettle and just sip on this. So I'm demonstrating you how I have it. So just boiling a cup of water, slightly more than a cup of water, and the good thing is that you can flavor it according to how you like. So if you want to have, let's say, add some sweetener, you can add sugar or honey, whatever it is. So I'm showing you what are the ingredients. There's cardamom, cinnamon, cardamom flavor, cinnamon flavor, cloves, and tea. So this one was about the Kashmiri Kahwa one, which I'm going to have today. I have added a spoonful of honey for that extra calming effect for my sore throat. So you can see all I'm doing is just adding the hot water in the paper glass, and within a minute you can start smelling the good spices. And you can also make this the old way. A lot of people recently are trying to avoid having hot drinks in paper glasses or even in the plastic glasses. So all you have to do is just very simply just tear apart or remove the mesh or the white paper that there is, and inside there will be some dried ingredients. Just take it out. You can see here it is very much like the leaves, the green tea leaves, and you just add it in your pan of boiling water. And after the water changes its color, and when it is sufficiently brewed for about 1 minute, you can strain it off. But why make life difficult when this is a very easy process? I think the paper glass would do. Very useful with the health benefits it has. Each of the flavor have their own health benefits, and the whole purpose of making this video is to share with you anything that makes your life easy. Okay. The flavor is good and it saves a lot of time. So if you found this video helpful, please share it with someone, and I'll see you soon. Bye.